Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with a weekly update video on Bitcoin. So let's just Let's just dive right into it. Bitcoin is sitting at a critical level right now, and the next move is pretty decisive. We are getting stuck at key resistance at 95,245. So I'm going to break down today's Bitcoin price action, the exact targets I'm watching for next. So, yeah, first of all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about clear, nonsense Bitcoin and crypto market analysis. So let's just jump right into it. So starting on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is still holding a broader bullish structure, but we've clearly lost momentum after the recent highs and getting stuck at the 100-day simple moving average at around 96,548. We saw a strong rejection from the upper range following a pullback into a major demand zone that has acted as support multiple times in the past. I don't think it's random. I think this is a key level where buyers and sellers are actively fighting for control. And I'm not going to prematurely say that this is a bear flag forming because, if you watched the live stream last night, ChatGPT told me not to prematurely say that it's a bear flag. Even though I will explain my thought logic on it later on in this video, we'll just say we're forming some sort of uptrend right now. Right now, Bitcoin is consolidating and forming higher lows, which tells us the buyers are still defending the price. At the same time, we're seeing resistance overhead, which is keeping price compressed. When you get compression like this, it usually leads to expansion, meaning a larger move is coming, in my opinion. The purple zone is the most important zone here on the chart because it has acted as support. As long as Bitcoin holds this area on the daily closing basis, the bullish structure still remains intact. If we lose this zone, then a strong follow through, selling next downside target opens up quickly. There's very little support on the downside. The next area is around 70,000, which I will be buying 0.002 BTC at. On the upper side, though, nothing's always bearish, right? On the bull side, Bitcoin needs to reclaim this area of resistance above the current price, which we're sitting at right now. 95.2 is key because that's the 382 from the high to the low. So as long as we can close over 95.2, then the targets on the upside are also valid, which would be 103. Above that, we're looking at previous highs, then the larger resistance zones up higher on the chart between 139 and 148. These targets only come play if we see a strength and confirmation, not just wicks. I don't want to see a wick and then just basically it closing back into this channel and then having red print right afterwards. If we fail to hold support, expect to move down a faster move down to the downside. In that case, the next level of support sits followed by a deeper retracement zone. This is why patience is key right now. The market is deciding the direction. Now, the RSI is currently neutral, which tells us Bitcoin is not overbought or oversold. I guess it's not really neutral. It's kind of closer to overbought on the daily time frame. But we still have room. We still have room for growth, in my opinion. But, I still do think that an aggressive move in either direction, once we get a breakout, will determine whether we actually hit overbought and actually go into overbought territory while making higher highs, or if this was it, if we topped out at 96 and we're going to come all the way back down. And at that point, we have to look at areas of support. So the takeaway is simple. As long as support holds, I'm watching for a bullish continuation. If that level breaks, I respect the downside and adjust accordingly. Let me know in the comments which direction you think Bitcoin will move next. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like, the subscribe to the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And I really do appreciate all your support. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and I'll catch you in the next video.